Alright, quick USDJPY rundown. In 120 seconds, H4 Ichimoku Scanner first, green buy box, B zone with a check, buyers in control, continuation bias on, trend permission, buy only. Next, moving averages, price above MA50, MA50 above MA200, strong structure, buyers steering the ship. But here's the nuance, price just tapped a high resistance, monthly projection zone, small red candles, slight push down, momentum cooling. Not a reversal, just a healthy trend breathing phase, a pullback after the rally. Renko logic time. Early bearish bricks are popping up against the uptrend. By the rule book, I don't panic close. I wait for the next bullish Renko continuation to resync with the trend. Trade management, if I'm already long, I'm closing the first 4 entries to bank partial profits. Then I'm sliding my stop on the remaining positions closer to the MA50. That locks gains and still gives room for continuation. What's next? 2 paths. Scenario A, price pulls back toward the MA50. Buyers step in, and we print new highs. Scenario B, a strong break of the MA50 opens a deeper retrace toward the MA200. Right now, no confirmed trend reversal. Mindset check. This isn't the entry moment, it's a trade management moment. I secure profits, protect capital, and let the trend do its thing. Final take from the strategy engine. Trend bias, buy. Entry timing, wait for the pullback, or wait for a fresh bullish Renko continuation. Action now, partial close. Shift stops toward the MA50 zone. Lock gains, ride the trend. Keep it disciplined.